guys, welcome back to my channel. That sun is actually blinding. Oh my days. So for today's video we've actually got this big boy box. I don't know if you guys can even see. I was actually going to unbox this for you guys later because we're going to drive to my grand's house to film, but that box doesn't actually fit in the car, so we're going to have to do an unboxing now. But that's alright, we'll work with it. Let's go! This is actually quite heavy, I'm not going to lie. I'm struggling. Let's just sit you down. You sit nicely, there we go. Oh fucking hell, I just stretched my legs for it. Gee. Why they made it like a Mission Impossible to get in it? Fucking hell, I just want to install it to my car. But let's open this up, guys, and I'll show you what we've actually bought to go on my Audi A1 next. I mean, you can probably guess from the company, but still. I can bubble wrap. I bought bubble wrap. Yeah, so we have actually got some side skirts for my Audi A1. You all know what side skirts are, but I'm going to give you a demonstration anyway. These will go on here somewhere. Like me. Yeah, somewhere like that. Sound. And I also, you know, treated you guys. Also bought a new front splitter for my car because, as you guys will know, if you have a look, we have actually snapped this one. So if you look a bit closer, woo! You can ping loads of stuff off that. It's like a little catapult. But that one is also from Maxim Design. It is also the wrong one for my car. So we've got the right one. That's going to look so much better. It's going to be nice not to have a broken one for at least 2 days before I break it again. But yeah, that is what we're going to do today. We're going to add some side skirts to my car and also a new front splitter. It's going to look sick. It's also probably going to make it lower, which is not going to be ideal because obviously she's practically on the floor anyway. But yeah, anyway, let's put these into my Audi A1 and then we can get going and get them installed on my car. But before we carry on, I want to give a massive shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Car Vertical. So Car Vertical is actually a used car history checker that scans through a vehicle's entire history to show you guys if there's any hidden issues, such as damage, the odometer, financial issues, anything. So how Car Vertical works is you take the VIN or the registration number, pop it into Car Vertical, and it'll produce a report for the previous history of that specific car. Before I show you guys how Car Vertical works, if you are at all interested, click the link in the description and use my discount code Chloe, which will get you 20% off. So I've actually got a report here for an Audi S4, and as you guys can see, the odometer is all good and the financial and legal status is all good. However, there is a warning light for damage. We can see this vehicle was damaged 2 times and was marked as an insurance write-off. We can see that this was actually written off as a category S, so it's repairable, however there was structural damage. Car Vertical actually gives you photos to go along with the damage, and if you're anything like me, you guys will love this because I love to be able to see what's actually happened rather than just be told. And from these pictures, we can see that this front end of this Audi is literally mashed. Like, it's destroyed, guys. And that's why it's so important to check a used car on Car Vertical before you buy it, just to save yourself the money and the hassle. Because you don't want a fat bank bill after buying a car, because no one wants that. Like, you just don't. So if you guys are at all interested in Car Vertical, click the link in the description or use my discount code Chloe, which will get you 20% off. And yeah, massive shout out to Car Vertical for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, let's go! Before we can start installing the side skirts and the front splitter, we did actually have a cheeky little to-do list to do first. So we started off by heading up to Martin's unit over at Oxygen Club to borrow some axle stands and a jack, because obviously I need to jack my car up. Secondly, we actually went and got my car cleaned because it was disgustingly dirty. And lastly, we popped to Screwfix to get some self-tappers because, you know, we're B-teching this thing, like, it's my channel. What do we expect? Quick Mackie stop because I haven't eaten yet today and it's 3:30, I don't think you can see that. Coke with no ice. And a flat Big Tasty box. I also don't know if I like the Big Tasty, it was just a moment of I crave it, but I don't know if I like it. Not sure. Oh my god. This is a mess. What the fuck? Let's turn it over, let's have a look. Oh, shiny, let's look at this. That's actually sick, wait. Obviously we haven't screwed it in, but this is kind of what it'll look like. Obviously we've got the badge at the back end. And yeah, fucking hell. Look at the state of that. That's a beastie chunk. We went to Screwfix to buy self-tappers, which are actually in there. But TRC actually gives you self-tappers, and they are quite like, these are like the big boy, they look like big boy industrial self-tappers compared to our teeny tiny ones we bought.
Work it, Max, work it. Come back a little bit. Yeah, go there. Just.
Did that work?
Yeah.
That's mad.
Not too tight.
You smell nice.
Eh?
You smell
I've had a
nice.
shave as well.
Oh, fucking hell.
Shit shower shave, man.
Shit shows. Shall I drill one in on the other side so it's like I've done something?
Oh,
Or maybe a middle one, because then you can't do it wrong.
Oh, you
What, the one I tried to film from that angle too, and you messed up. Look at my fucking wrist is going.
No, you can't.
I'm going to put it in first.
No, you can't. It's not going to stay there, you tit.
No, I'm not going to keep it in.
What I'm saying, Chloe, is there's 2 axle stands away from it dropping on your face. So hurry up.
How?
It's not focusing. There you go.
I'm confused.
You see that little big trigger
Wait,
that
wait,
on?
Yeah, pull the trigger slowly, start off. Go. And hold the screw for a little bit.
Got it on lock.
Have I?
Is it,
Now try it.
is it going the right way, yeah?
Oh no. Fuck's sake, just go in prime
Yeah,
position.
it was going the wrong way.
Oh, see, you all set me up for failure there. Fuck me, my arm aches.
It's not that fucking idea, donut. Go on, next one.
Pass me a screw then.
She's feeling confident, this bitch.
Good job, I dropped.
Oh my god.
Hold on. This hurts my wrist so bad.
Fucking solid, ain't good. Ain't good, alright.
That's my day of hard work done. Fuck me. We are just taking the old splitter off, which is practically half of anyway. Fucking hell. R.I.P. to that bad boy. Look at that.
It's out, that side.
Yeah.
Mine's 2 fingers. Check the other side to make sure it's 2
Oh,
fingers.
that's. Yeah, but you. I got smaller fingers.
Yeah,
than you.
check your fingers then.
Oh.
Quick, because my knees are hurting. Come on.
We had an issue because we were using self-tappers, but the ones we had were too short for the front splitter. They gave us like bolting ones, but they were really annoying because how do you get round to like bolt them in? It's just annoying. So we're gonna head down to Max, the guy that was with us then, down to his unit, and he's gonna have some stuff there. So then we'll put the splitter on there.
It's a big old jack, that, isn't it? Yeah.
My guy, this is the fucking place. You got my car, see Max's car, the sunset, and a trampoline. That's not ideal day. I don't know what it is. Look how pretty it is. I need a space like this. Like that's madness. God, what a location. I just want to go on the trampoline again, I can't lie. I had a fucking blast on that thing. I just got on camera actually.
And that slipped.
That was a different hole.
That's solid, mate. Look at that. That's got that, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've pulled it a bit more.
saying, obviously the front splitter and the side skirts are both on, and I haven't broke it yet, so we're doing well. Anything after the first day, I class myself as in a fucking top tier driver. But it actually looks so sick, like it makes the car just look, what word would you use?
Sick, innit, bro? I don't know.
It looks more aggressive now, kind of thing. I mean, I know the A1's not typically very aggressive anyway because it's an A1, but like this front splitter is obviously from TRC and it's so much better than my other one because number one, it's the right fit, but also it just comes out further, it goes down a bit further. It just looks better, like you can just tell it's got a splitter on now, like it looks sick. And obviously added on with the side skirts. Yeah, so all we've got to do now is obviously sort the rear diffuser out. I don't actually think you can buy one for my A1, like, you know, the ones with like the fins and stuff. I don't think you can like buy one. So I'm gonna maybe like custom it, so buy some custom shark fins, spray paint the back bit black. Let me show you what I'm on about. Yeah, so obviously this just looks shit now. So I'm thinking to spray this all black, and then obviously get some shark fins customed in there. Yeah, I'm actually gassed with them. I think they look so good. Yeah, obviously a massive shout out to Charlie and Max who basically fitted them for me. I put 2 bolts in, so I'm gonna take a little bit of credit for it. But I will leave both their Instagrams down below, so go check them out, give them a follow. Also shout out to Martin because he let me borrow his axle stands and jack at like really short notice. Literally rang, what's like I need an axle stand. So I went and picked them up. So again, Martin from Oxygen Club, follow him. I will leave it linked down below again. Yeah, that is the front splitter and the side skirts installed on my Audi A1. I think it looks sick. It just looks aggressive. It looks like, and my car's clean, so it looks better. But yeah, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Follow me on Instagram at chl_.oe. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you, or we'll see you, in my next video. Bye!